Hello students, welcome back to our next session, grammar, lesson 2, nouns. What is the meaning of nouns? Nouns is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. We will write here the definition is a noun, N-O-U, a noun is a naming word. Naming word. Textbook page here, TB page 72 and 73. Here definition is there, children. A noun is a naming word. You have a name. Every person have a name. And same every animal has have a name. And the things, you are identify the things and persons and animals with their names. See the children, their names only we are saying that naming word. For example, here a noun is a naming word. Here again we are saying that a noun, N-O-U-N, noun is the name of, N-A-M-E, name of a person, comma, place or things. See the children, here a noun is the name of a person, place or things. Here we have some names here. First one we will take here, person. In the book also you have many examples in page number 72. First one is girl. Next, boy, uncle, aunt. The next, doctor, nurse. The next, many are there. Father, mother. So that also name of persons. Mother. These are the common names, children. Isn't it? Then again we are saying that here many we can say, children. Here in the textbook you can see that son. S-O-N, son. Next, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. That also now. That is a name. The next, king, K-I-N-G, king, K-I-N-G, king. Clerk. Clerks are working in the office. Clerk. The next, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. They also a noun. The next, nurse we wrote here already. The next, tailor. Tailor is stitches our clothes. The next, uncle. The next, queen, Q-U-E-N, queen. King opposite queen. Okay. The next, uncle. Then soldier, S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. Soldier protect our country. Okay. The next, painter. Painter, doing painting. Painter. The next, cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler, mends or repair our shoes. Okay. The next, woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. That's lady. Okay. The next, brother, BROTHER. Brother. The next, postman. Postman means delivers letters, giving letters to us. The next, gardener. GARDNER. Gardener. 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 Isn't it? The next, gardener means to take care of the garden. The next, daughter. DAUGHTER. That means son, daughter, like. Then carpenter. Carpenter. What does he do? Carpenter doing the making the furnitures. The next, watchman. WATCH. Watch. MAN. Man. Watchman. Let's keep the guard our houses. The next, policeman. You know the policeman. See children, these are the nouns of a persons. Once again, girl, boy, uncle, aunt, doctor, nurse, father, mother, son, baby, king, clerk, sister, tailor, queen, soldier, painter, cobbler, woman, brother, postman, gardener, and daughter. Again, carpenter, watchman, policeman. These are the names. The next, we are saying some animals. We should write some animals name. You know children, animals name. Here we wrote persons. Next we are discussing the animals. They have the name, that is the noun. So dog. You say children, many animals are there. Cat. Then duck. Next, hen, lion, tiger. The next, zebra, giraffe. So these many are there, isn't it? Many animals are there. The next, we are going to the next page. We are discussing about the places. That means places. Where do you study children? We are studying in the school. When you are getting the sick, where you are going? You are going to the hospital. For worship, praying, where you are going? Christians go to church, Hindus go to temple, Muslims go to mosque. Isn't it? Where do you play? You are playing in the park. Isn't it? So these are comes under the places. So we'll discuss that. Here, park. The next, school, hospital. The next, church, temple, mosque. Then next, railway station. So stations, police station, railway station, then bus stop, shops. Isn't it? These are places. Isn't it children? The next, now we are discuss about the things. Now we are discussing about the things. You see children, these are the places. The few examples of places. These are examples of nouns, and now we are discussing that examples of things. You say the things name children. Then you book, bag, pen, the next box, the next we can say bread, that also things, bread. The next vehicles also we can say like the thing, vehicles also comes under the things. The next shoe, shoe also they do not have, they are not the living thing, that will say that they are not the living things, they are non-living things, these are the things. Okay children. The next bench. Now you understood children some examples. We'll say once again. Animals, dog, cat, duck, hen, lion, tiger, zebra. The next parrot, birds, parrot, pigeon, crow, myna, many are there. Okay. Then the places, park, school, hospital, church, temple, mosque, then bus station, bus stop, railway station, airport and shops, many are there. Send children. Then we can say some more examples here. Kukatpalli, Lingampalli, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada. Okay, we can say like here things, book, bag, pen, box, bread, bus, shoe, bench, many things, chair, table, window, door, then many are there. You can say many things. Scale, pen, pencil, many things. Fan in your home and in your classroom also we can find many things. Cindy children. Then next, in the textbook also we can many examples like what are the persons, animals, places and things. Now we understood that, we explained that name of places, persons, animals and things. Now I am giving a homework to you children. Here write in classwork and homework book and homework book. Homework book. The question is write. The question is write any 10 names of what children? Persons, animals, things and places. Cindy children, places. Here question is write any 10 names of persons, animals, things and places. For example, you can write any person's name. One is then father. Father is person's name. Along with this, we can write your particular name also. What is that? Kiran. That also you can write. Send it. Here, animals. Then you have to write 10 children. Here, these are the examples I am giving here. Send it. Then next animal's name. First one is elephant. And number 2 lion. Okay, you can write 10. Then things, you can write What are the things, children? Paper, PAPF, paper. Then you can write shirt. Shirt also a thing. You'll get the dresses also comes under the things. The next, places. You can write Hyderabad. Hyderabad. The next, park or school. School also comes under this. These are the examples, children. The question is, write in classwork and homework book. Isn't it, children? Question. Write any 10 names of persons, animals, things and places. For example, first one is Father Kiran. Second one is elephant, lion. Paper, shirt. Hyderabad, school. These up to 10 you have to write, children. 2 examples I shown you. Then write in the classwork and homework book also.